Hey Ryan, so what's this cool little gadget you got here?
Yep, well, this is a sewer scope camera, okay? It's like a bore scope. It's got a cable, a monitor or a display, and on the end of this cable there's a camera. And plumbers will often use this to help them assess drain piping in the home or sewer lines or even storm drains. But when we talk about home inspections, this is just another service that some home inspectors use to help a buyer eliminate risk. So if we're doing a general inspection, Mike, I could sit here and run 200 gallons of water in this house, okay? And it could be vacant or it could be occupied. And I have no indications of slow drains or backups that occur when I do the inspection. And we're here 3 hours. I could get into this sewer line after I ran all that water, and I could have roots and the water in this pipe could be backing up, and I could have big issues in this sewer line and not know it unless I put a camera down this line to determine the condition. So sewer scopes are one of those things. It's like any home inspector, it's a liability or it's a limitation. We can't see the condition of the sewer line. The only way to do that is to put a camera in it. And we would generally recommend a sewer scope in definitely any home built prior to the 70s where we're dealing with older plumbing materials. But with that being said, even with plastic drains, we could still have issues out in the yard. Maybe a tree company drove over sewer line,
Crushed the pipes,
concrete truck, the wrong things happening outside. Anything can go wrong. So it's just another way to leverage your risk and ensure that your sewer line, which is one of the most important components with your home, is in good order, good condition. We upload a video of that into the report, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it's in good shape and there's no need to go any further, negotiate anything.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you.